Tying your income directly to the number of hours you work caps your earnings and limits your financial growth. Develop an additional revenue stream and generate passive income using Embodia's Clinic Academy. Clinic Academy lets you create, host, and sell on-demand and live courses and memberships to your community on your own professionally branded platform to grow your bottom line. Embodia even eliminates the technical hurdles for you so that there's no need to create a website or app or hire developers and graphic designers. So how does it all work? First, add your Academy branding under My Clinic, Contact Info, and Branding. This is what users will see when they access your Academy. Now we're ready to create our first Academy course. Click Add a Course, provide a title for your course, and fill in the description and any additional information you'd like your community to see on your course landing page. Set your course price, and if you'd like to offer a special price for your course with membership, set a cost with membership. To use the cost with membership setting, you must first set up a membership. We will look at creating a membership later in this video. The course discount feature can be used to offer sales on your course during certain time periods. Add your course search engine optimization, or SEO, which is a tool that lets search engines help users find your content. If your course has multiple instructors, you can add them here. You can also choose to add course admins. Any course admin will be able to access and edit the course, as well as view the attendee list and statistics, including revenue generated by the course. Finally, under Settings, you can select to use a variety of additional features, such as enabling a course forum for discussion. You can refer to our detailed guide for more information about all of these settings. Now we can add course content by going to the Course Materials section. First, add a category to your course. Then add course materials such as lessons, PDFs, quizzes, feedback, and more. The majority of your course will likely be made up of lessons, which is where you can upload videos and write the content of your course. If you need assistance editing your content, you can use Embodia's free built-in editing feature called Presentation Lessons. In addition to course materials, you can add exercises and/or patient education templates that your course attendees can access and follow. For example, you can add a stepwise exercise program with progressions each week to keep your participants engaged. Now that your course is ready to go, let's publish it. Your community can now visit your unique Clinic Academy URL and see and access the course you created. To view and manage various settings of your Academy, go to My Clinic Academy. In the Courses tab, you will see a list of your courses, the number of attendees, and course revenue. You can click on each hyperlinked course name to get more detailed information. In the Course Instructors tab, view and add course instructors, including their headshots and bios. In the Course Coupons tab, you can create coupon codes for your courses and assign them to all or specific courses. In the Memberships tab, you can create new memberships for your Clinic Academy or edit existing ones. Clinic Academy comes in two plan options, Lite and Pro. You can learn more by going to our website or by scanning this QR code. To make setting up and managing your Clinic Academy even easier, at no extra charge, Embodia provides you with a Clinic Academy course with step-by-step instructions about how to use the platform. This ends our brief tour of Clinic Academy on Embodia. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@embodiaapp.com.